So first of all, go over to Google and type in this website. Google will take you to this page. Just take out a text. Boom guys, you start getting paid for just doing that. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this secret website that I've been using for a long right now, and I'm using it to make money just by listening to music, taking tags, watching videos, doing a lot of things in the platform and making money for myself. And in this video, I decided to break it down for you guys to start using to make money for yourself in the internet. So if this is what you are looking for, follow me to the end of the video for you to see how it works and how you can make money using this platform. And before you proceed, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, my name is Joshdehustler, and in this channel I teach you guys on how to make money online. If this is what you are looking for, follow me to the end, like this video, comment what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to see these more videos in the future for you to start making money. Without further ado, let's smash it. So the website we are going to talk about is called Toloka. Toloka is a paid platform that pay you for taking tags, taking survey, listening to music and doing a lot of things and getting paid instantly. So what you guys should do is to simply start up by start earning money. It will take you to this place where you guys to register your account. So you can simply register your account using this method by putting your full name, your last name, your password, and your birthday. Boom guys, you start registering. So I've done this process on my own side. So what I had to do simply is to simply go into log into my account. Then it will pop out this place where I got to put in my details by continuing with Google. So I got to put in my email to sign in with that. So when you sign in, this is the way your account will looks like. You guys will see where they will show you tags, newsletter, newest first, twice, favorite first, and recommended first. So this is everything. You can simply uncheck or check them in. So right here is the text you can take. You can simply take the text to start up by using this platform. So you guys will see there is similarities of earning in the platform. You can simply by earning by checking the pronunciation. In this task, you need to evaluate the pronunciation of the word being mentioned. In 10 minutes, you get $0.0775. And here is to check the pronunciation. This one also pays 0.05 cents. Why this one is assess if the AI model. So you have to see pass the exam with accuracy of 85% or higher to receive $0.05. This one is also product image vulnerabilities. Tell whether the given image is the same product as others. So you can also do this one. This one is arbitrage value validities. Check if the given value is valid for the arbitrage, and you can get $0.02. Why this one is if you have a car or you have someone that has a car and you normally take picture with it, you can simply do the tags by visual photo from different side with open and close. So you have to take the picture of the car, like 10 picture of the car, and you are going to get 0.17 cents in the platform. So this one is simple tags to text, and this one is also you can earn $0.02 depending on whichever one you want to participate on, and you can make money from there. So let's begin with I don't know the one we should go with. I think taking photo with that, we are not where car is, so I'm going to simply check in this exam on pass the exam. I'm not good at exams, so what will you do? Let's say taking pronunciation. Let's see how the pronunciation looks like. So right here is got it and set alarm for tomorrow by at 8. So you have to see it right here. So let's begin with that.
Got it. I set an alarm for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
So you guys see it. Is it evacuating the pronunciation? Is it okay? Unclear? Mistake? Let's see.
Got it. I set an alarm for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
At 8 a.m. Is unclear, is okay, let's say it's okay, there is no mistake there. So this one is a common appear, age with on a veil and blah blah blah. So let's check.
Como, appearing aged at and unwell, had the flu during the show which took 4 hours to record. Como, appearing aged at and unwell, had the flu during the show which took 4 hours to record.
There is no mistake, took 4 hours to record, it's okay. So let's see this one. Currently the impact is blah blah blah. So
Currently, the import rate of white fish products begin to increase.
this is it. So let's submit that to see. Woo! Well, Jesus Christ. Damn. Okay, let's see what we've paused. And I don't know Buko. So right here, this is a mistake in pronunciation H. And this one is a mistake in pronunciation in import. This one is mistake in pronunciation fantasy. I thought this one is there is a okay mistake. So let's see. Let's submit that. So let's see. We just got only one from this. So let's just correct that by mistake. This one is also mistake. This one is also mistake. So let's submit that. We got only one in this exact one. So let's begin with the other one. The next here is other things you can also do in the platform by accessing the chat with this, and also things you can definitely do for yourself. And also this exact website is also available in Play Store and in Apple Store. So if you are using whichever one you are using on your daily basis, you are good to go with this platform, and you can definitely make money using this exact platform using your smartphone or your Android. Now let's talk about how can we withdraw from the platform. You can simply withdraw from the platform if you click on the three dots right here, then click on the earnings you just in, and it will take you to this place where you guys to withdraw from your amount or from your money. So you guys to withdraw from Payoneer, or you can withdraw from Para. So depending on the whatever platform you are using to withdraw, you can simply withdraw from there, simply linking your account right here in the Payoneer, and then you start withdrawing your earnings right there. And you can also make more money from the platform by referring people in the platform and getting much bonuses. You can get at least from 5% to 20% of the exact tax these people completed. Everybody that you invited in the platform and the earn, you can get at least 5 to 20% of the earnings in your balance, and you can start cashing it out immediately as you withdraw from the platform.
Oh yes, that's it for today's video. I believe you guys understand something and learn something from this video. So what is right for you right now is to proceed with this video method and put it in practice and start making money for yourself and start testifying in the comment section. I wish to listen to you and see what your result is all about in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. In that case, you will get notified when I drop videos like this in the future. Without further ado, let's go.